Yeah, we're going to buy something. I don't know what. That's chicken. And I'm going to look for something else here. No. Chicken? No. Yeah, we're going to get some corned beef. If you can see this one, this is coming from Brazil. And it's cheap, just $2.50. But the expensive one, this is $5.50. And it's made from Australia. Look at the difference. Brazil, Australia. And we're going to take this. We go for the cheap one, mate. And then yeah, we're also going to buy a coffee. Look at this. I will show you this. They have this kind of cappuccino. This, the cup, hazelnut, latte, different flavor. They don't have this one, the 3-in-1 coffee. They don't have that one. Yeah, the 3-in-1 coffee is everywhere in Southeast Asia, but not here. And look how expensive are the other coffee. Like this, $13. Moccona is expensive. Nescafe Gold is expensive. Yeah, Nescafe Blend is it's okay, but there is one cheap one. Look at this, Essential Instant Coffee, granulated. So basically this is a home brand of Woolworth, and it's made in Mexico. $3.70. I don't know. Yeah, because you know I'm not a brand conscious, so I think I am going to take it. Actually, I am going to take the Nescafe. $9.40. It's 150 grams. I'm just going to put this in the bike. Yeah, they are not giving any more free plastic. You need to buy one. Yeah, you put it here. Good afternoon, guys. I just came from work. Yeah, 2:30. I finished my duty and now I am going home. No, I am going first to the ATM machine to get some money. I need to pay for the house rent. $250, mate, every week. Yeah. Today the water is very calm. As you can see, a lot of cars here and a lot of people there. They are relaxing. Nice. Yeah, also the water is very calm. Did I say it already? Yeah, I did. Yeah, the water is very calm. No, what I said is a lot of cars and then the waters are calm. Yeah, so yeah, we are going first to the Albura Marina to get some money. You can actually swim down there. Yeah, the wind is a little bit cold, but with the sun it will help you to, you know, you can actually swim. Sorry. Yeah. And actually there are some people that are swimming at the moment, as you can see that. Yeah. look at those houses. They are beautiful houses up the hill. Yeah, you know, I am having a hard time to get up because I forgot to change the gear. As you can see, the gear is here. It's 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I am supposed to put this in the 1, but I forgot. Yeah, and because of that, it is in the smallest sprocket. And this way is going up. And it's very difficult to get up. Even if my electric power is in the high. Yeah, very difficult to pedal. Because you know, normally in the morning I set this in this one because I need to force a lot of energy for me to not to feel the cold temperature in the morning. So yeah, because you know, if you are exerting too much force with biking, you lose energy or something, like it gives you a little bit of a warm feeling. Yeah, but on my way going up there I forgot to set it to this mode, and now I'm having a hard time. Because you know, you cannot just change the gear if it is not moving. Yeah, I don't know, I haven't tried that because they said that you should change the gear when it's moving. Okay, we'll be just walking until we reach the upper part, and then yeah, we go. So this is supposed to be in the number 1 so that it will be easy to pedal even if it is going uphill. I don't know what they're going to do here. They put a barrier. I don't know, they are maybe going to put some like a formal barrier or decoration or enhancement. Look, a lot of tourists today. How many buses is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 buses. Yeah, all of them are tourists, mostly are Chinese. They went for the dolphin watch. You know, this, if you can see this kind of bus, this is a coaster, as if I am not mistaken. This is the bus service that we are using in Dubai. Yeah, like every hour there is a bus that comes to pick up from our hotel, from the work, and also in the accommodation. Most of the company have that kind of bus. Also, it happened for us to have that kind of bus as our service, a luxury bus. Yeah, because our company before in Dubai are serving 3 hotels: the Armani hotels, and then the Address Hotel, and the Address Hotel Dubai Mall. Those 3 hotels are using that kind of bus, a luxury bus, before when I was working in Dubai. Before, there is a establishment here, a 2-story house establishment, and yeah, they collapsed that and they put this a park, like a park. Yeah, now there's a way there to get to the marina. Nice. Yeah, but you know, the government, wow, the government can actually demolish your house for something that will benefit the other people. I mean, most people, the community. Yeah. Now we are going to the Filipino shop to buy some Filipino food.